At ZenoWell, we believe in a simple idea. If we feel better, we will live more. Human beings are designed to follow rhythm, wake with light, rest with darkness. If we sleep well, if we can feel calm when we need calm, and be energetic if we need energy, our body and mind return to balance. And in balance, the body has a natural ability to recover. Today, many people are struggling with sleep problems, stress, low energy, and chronic discomfort. After COVID-19, these issues became even more visible because wearables started translating how we feel into numbers. Sleep performance, stress scores, recovery, strain, and HRV features. What these signals often point to the same core system, the autonomic nervous system, and the resilience of our vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve connecting our brain with our body or most of the organs. It plays a key role for the body and mind, switching from fight and flight states to rest and digest states. That's why we created ZenoWell Vita, a daily gadget. It's a safe, easy-to-use auricular vagus nerve stimulation device, a relaxation kit built with science-backed parameters, designed to support better sleep, calmer state, higher HRV, less fatigue and pain, and more energy. Vita is truly portable. No app, no subscription, works offline, so it smoothly fits into our daily life. With 3 flexible modes, it supports real moments: before bedtime and midday reset, during work stress and anxiety, or for any pain or fatigue moments. It is so simple, you just pick it up and use it. The earpiece is thoughtfully engineered to cover the auricular vagus nerve targets. The sensation is gentle and comfortable, so better sleep, relaxation, energy, focus, and feel more within your control. With the regular use of ZenoWell Vita, our goal is to offer a safe, non-drug, wearable neurotech tool that can directly support our wellness so we can feel better and live more.